getting drapes put in, and you can't see because the sun is directly in the way. There we go. Nice drapes to keep the office cool, keep the sun out during the hot months. It's actually cool season now, so it's like anywhere from 65 to 84 degrees. But when in the hot season, the sun comes in and it makes some of the rooms hot. So we went ahead and got some curtains. It's curtains for you. This is one room, the office, where I have my little computer. And then the other room where it's getting done is the main living room. You see how much that cuts the light out with those closed. It's awesome. They look really nice. It's a custom install, custom made. We ordered them last week. And they're also going to go over here on this window. You can see how the sun comes through here. There's no real overhang. There's no roof up here, you see. So you can actually feel the heat coming through the window. So it's going to make a big difference in keeping the house cool. The aircon over here isn't going to have to work as hard to keep it cool. Here you can see it's like a little portico covered patio porch area. So it's cool. It's dark. It's covered. The sun doesn't come in here. So we're not doing it on this side or back there where it's also covered. But on this side, yeah, it's brutally hot when you walk over there. So the total sum for all these drapes, including the materials and install, is about $400 US. I love me some Thailand.